All right, we're here in Loxahatchee, Florida with South Florida Mobile RV. They are doing an inspection today on a 2016 Forest River Berkshire. Here we are with this unit. This is the 38A Berkshire. And we're going to do a quick walk around. It's stored nicely indoors in the garage. At the back. And we'll probably have to pull this big mama out at some point, out to the yard. Getting ready to climb up on the roof. And we'll climb up in the unit and take a quick look. Of course, we've got entertainment center right here. And as we walk in, you can see 38A. You've got your entry. And here's Kevin Cable.
Paid decent, but it's not working out like always. Actually, you got right.
So,
I'm listening.
this floor right here,
The what?
this floor right here, where on the right, 5, the whole, it just jumped up to 13.5.
On its way. Did you see the number on there? Right here, right?
Kevin's walking the roof. This has got an armor sprayed roof, which is what the seller has confirmed that he had put on there. It does have a lifetime warranty.
Guys outside, you know, it's a pain in the ass. You never know.
pretty low hours on it. 764. Just got a fresh oil change, looks like.
Yep.
So, she's done testing these.
Pretty clean in there, actually. So we're going to the washer and dryer in this master bathroom here, and you can see that the washer is currently running and the dryer gets hot.
It's got lithium batteries in it. Newer house batteries.
Slide going out. Slide coming back.
Check it out. Make sure that they all go up and operate the way they should.
Jacks are all up and waiting to put them all back down.
Greg, grab us a level out of the back of the van and we'll just check it out.
Jacks all work. Nice. Still leveling.
It's always nice when they're
Taking the lights. Good. Need high beams and fogs. That must be high beams on, actually.
I'm gonna look, I think.
Regular. Yep, that'll work. Go back to the back and make sure they work. And 1, 2 up there working good. And back. All lights operational. Good sign, even side lights. Perfect. Backup camera.
Left turn.
Right turn.
And then reverse.
Perfect. Cameras work as intended.